at hindi ko pinagbigyan ng isda. At ang pangalan nun, Saldico.
Alright. But very clear, no? Okay. So pag-usapan ho natin, how many times have yung pong TPJ had actually been able to import, that they were the top importers?
I don't have the figures, Mr. Chair, but palagi sila nasa top kasi they have the biggest, one of the biggest volumes, Mr. Chair.
Alright. Sige po, you mentioned Congressman Zaldico, so do you have more information about that?
Well, I only have personal knowledge on the 3 companies he wanted me to give allocation kahit na may formula na kami. Hindi ako pumayag magbigay ng kahit isang container sa kanya sa 3 nominated companies niya. At ang isang kumpanya doon, pangalan pa, ZC Victory Fishing Corporation.
Can you state all the other companies that you're mentioning?
I don't remember as of the moment kasi biglaan itong mga natin.
So ano po yung gusto niyo pong banggitin about that? Do you feel that there is a conflict of interest there?
Hindi naman. Ang sinasabi ko lang, we were being forced at that time to give him 3,000 containers of fish, which I did not agree.
Well, very important that you mentioned being forced, no? What do you mean by being forced, actually?
Well, pinipilit na kami mag-issue ng import permit while we already have a formula, no? Which, ito nga yung formula na lumabas, and it is very clear na fair to sa scientifically, the data speaks for itself. At kaya kong tindigan to.
But you have, did you actually issue it or no? Did you issue po the request?
No.
All right.
No.
Okay, thank you.